Alright, y'all. Got some vintage stash to come out. This is a Heathkit charging system tester model CI-2065 from somewhere around 1980. Now these Heathkits, you had to build it. So here's your tester. You can pause on that to read all the details and what it does and everything. And there's the inside of it all put together. Now that being said, got neat stuff. Here's the main book. This book shows you how to put it together and what everything does. See, somebody checked that off as they put them in. I'm not sure who built this. My dad had it. One of his cousins give it to him a few years ago, and he gave it to me a week or two ago. But I got the whole book and manual how to put it together. Now the cool part here, watch this, is the instruction manual. Opens up big like a map. Here's all the parts for your meter now. And this is the old stuff old car guys are gonna like. Opens up like an old road map. That's the meter. Got test number 1, got your flow charts. Test 2 and your flow charts. Tells you what the LEDs mean and what that is about, what you're doing. I got test 3. Feel free to pause if these are in focus. I hope they are. Now you've got instructions specific to Ford, GM, and Chrysler, whether transistorized or electromechanical regulators. About that, man. That's neat. Flip the page. Oh, it's an old book. I'm guessing this one's a Ford, and that looks like GM. Oh yeah, they are. Wait a minute. Sorry guys. Second page, Chrysler, Ford, and GM. How to do that. I think all these are basically the external regulated ones. It's old stuff. The copyright on all this is from 1980 or so. So pictorial. I'm not quite sure what they're doing, but you can do that and achieve things. And your schematic for the meter and what everything means on the meter. See what we got. But that's cool, man. I like that. The old Heathkit. Got the sheet for the parts requests. I think this is your warranty card and little envelope. And everything's so rolled up because it's been in this original box with the model number on it. Original, looks like ancient silica packer. I don't know if someone added that or not, but oh well, y'all. There's your Heathkit charging system tester model CI-2065 from somewhere around 1980 or later. And that's it. It's opened up. I'd pull it out where you can see the back, but it's hanging on one of the pins there. That one, can't quite get it out, and I don't want to break it. So y'all just have to be happy with this old vintage goodness. So, but alright, y'all have a good one.